Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to a short story in a cafe. It is simple, slow, and easy English. In this story, you will hear Bonnie, Justin, and several customers at the cafe. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. What is Justin's secret? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
This is it, my first day. I hope I am not late.
Good morning. You must be Bonnie.
Yes, hello, I am Bonnie. It is nice to meet you.
I am Justin. Welcome to our cafe. I will help you today.
Thank you, Justin. The cafe is so big. I feel a little nervous.
That is very normal. I was nervous on my first day too.
Really? You look so brave now. What happened?
I learned the secret to a perfect smile. It changed everything.
A secret? That sounds interesting. Can you tell me?
Not yet. You have to see how we work first. Then you will understand.
Okay, I am ready. Let's start the tour.
Follow me. This is the heart of the cafe. Look at this machine. It is very fast.
It is beautiful. Does it make a lot of noise?
Yes, it is quite loud in the morning, but I like this sound. Smell these beans. They are fresh from the farm.
Wow, that smells amazing. It is very strong.
Yes, our customers love strong coffee. It wakes them up. Now, look at the tables. They must always be clean.
I see. No dust, no water, just a clean table.
Exactly. A clean table makes the food taste better.
Look at all the people outside. Will they all come here?
Many will. The morning rush is very busy. We have to be fast.
Fast? I am not very fast yet. I am still learning.
Don't worry. I will be right here with you all day. Remember, the secret makes everything easier.
You keep talking about the secret. Is it a magic word?
No, it is not a word. It is a feeling. You will see.
These flowers are so bright. They match my shirt.
Yes, our boss likes yellow. He says it is a happy color.
I agree. I feel happy just looking at them.
Good. Now let's organize the menus for the morning.
The menu is so colorful. Who designed this?
Our boss did. He is an artist and a chef.
That is amazing. To be a chef and an artist too.
Most of our food is simple, but it is very fresh.
Oh, I am starting to feel hungry. Everything looks delicious.
You can eat later. For now, we must work.
You are right. I am here to work, not to eat.
If you use the secret, the customers will feel the same joy.
Is the secret to be very fast?
No, speed is good, but it is not the secret.
Then I will keep watching you. I will find it.
Good. Now, come here. Let's learn how to take orders.
I am ready to learn everything.
This is the register. It shows all our prices.
A small coffee is $3. That is a good price.
Yes, the machine adds tax automatically. It is very easy.
Where is the button for a sandwich? I don't see it.
It is right here. It says lunch special.
$10 for a sandwich and a drink? That is a deal.
Most people use cards now. They just tap it here.
What about cash? I see many $5 and $10 bills.
Always count the change twice. It helps you avoid mistakes.
Oh, I heard the bell. Is that our first customer?
Yes, take a deep breath. You can do this.
Good morning. It is a beautiful day.
Good morning, sir. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. You must be new here.
Yes, today is my first day. I am still learning.
I would like a large black coffee and a blueberry muffin, please.
1 large black coffee and 1 blueberry muffin. Is that all?
Yes, that is everything. Thank you.
That will be $7.50, please.
Here you go. Technology is so fast these days.
It worked. Thank you, sir. Please wait a moment.
I have the coffee ready right here.
And here is the muffin. It is still warm.
Thank you, young lady. Have a great first day.
I did it. My first customer was very kind.
You did very well. You were polite and clear.
He smiled at me. Is that part of the secret?
His smile was a reaction. The secret is the cause. Keep watching. Here come more people. Let's get ready.
2 teas, 1 latte, and a chocolate cake. Coming right up.
Watch this. A little heart for the latte.
That is so cute. I want to learn how to do that.
It takes practice. Maybe next week I can teach you.
Next week. I hope I am still here by next week.
You are doing great, Bonnie. Don't doubt yourself.
It is already 10 o'clock. Time is moving so fast.
We need more napkins and sugar on the tables.
I will do it. White sugar and brown sugar, right?
Yes, some people like brown sugar. It has a deeper taste.
Look at this tiny spoon. It is for the espresso?
Yes, small coffee needs a small spoon. It looks fancy.
I like it. Everything here is so well planned.
We are a team. We help each other.
I feel like I belong here now.
I will refill the water for the customer in the blue suit.
I have the glasses. Should I bring him a straw too?
Good thinking. Ask him first. Some people don't like plastic straws.
Hello again, sir. Would you like more water? And perhaps a straw?
More water would be wonderful. No straw for me, thank you.
Of course. Is everything okay with your muffin?
It is perfect. I have come here for 15 years,
15 years, wow. You have seen many changes then.
yes. The tables used to be red, now they are wood.
Why do you keep coming back? Is it just the coffee?
The coffee is good, but the people are better. They always smile.
I see. Kindness is important here. Justin, that man has been coming here for 15 years.
Yes, that is Mr. Thompson. He lives in building number 42.
You remember his building number? That is impressive.
It shows we care. Small details matter, Bonnie.
Here is a large group. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. So that is 4 lattes and 4 chocolate muffins, correct? That will be $36 in total.
I need those lattes in 5 minutes. Can you help me?
I am getting the muffins. I will put them on plates now. Your coffee will be ready in about 5 minutes. Thank you for waiting. Oops, I almost dropped this. My hands are shaking a bit.
Take your time. 5 minutes is a long time. No rush.
You are right. Calm and steady. I can do it. Do we have the lids for the lattes? I see the cups, but no lids.
They are in the second drawer. We have 100 lids there.
Found them. 1, 2, 3, 4 lids. This tray is quite heavy with all these things.
Hold it close to your body. It is easier to carry that way.
Here is your order. 4 lattes and 4 muffins. Enjoy! They look so happy. It makes me feel good too.
Did you notice? When you smiled, they smiled back immediately.
Yes, it was like a circle of smiles. Is that the secret? A circle of smiles?
You are very close, but not quite. It is deeper than that.
Deeper? I will keep thinking while I wash these 20 cups.
Use this lemon soap. It makes the glass shine like new.
It smells like a fresh garden. Everything here smells good.
A good cafe appeals to the nose, the eyes, and the heart.
Nose for coffee, eyes for art, and heart for people. I understand.
Break time is over. We have another customer at the door.
I will go to her table. Would you like to see the menu?
She is learning very fast. She has a natural gift.
We are doing it, Justin. It is so quiet now. The morning was so loud and fast.
Do you like the fast morning or the slow evening better?
The morning was exciting, but the evening is peaceful.
My grandfather used to work in a cafe like this. It was very old.
Was it better than this one? Or just different?
It was slower. They didn't have these fast machines or card readers.
I like the fast machines. They help us serve more people.
Okay, Bonnie, you have worked hard all day. Are you ready for the secret?
Yes, please. I have been thinking about it all day.
The secret is simple. Smile with your heart, not just your face.
Smiling with my heart? How do I do that?
It means you must really want the customer to be happy. If you feel it, they feel it too.
Oh, like when I served Mr. Thompson. I really wanted him to enjoy his muffin.
Exactly. That is why he smiled back. He felt your kindness.
So, this is not just a job. It is about making people feel good.
Yes, that is why I have worked here for a year. I love the feeling.
My legs are very tired, but my heart feels light.
That is the best way to feel at the end of the day.
Will tomorrow be as busy as today?
Tomorrow is Saturday. It will be twice as busy.
Twice as busy? I need to sleep for 10 hours then.
Yes, sleep well. You did a fantastic job today, Bonnie.
Thank you, Justin. I couldn't do it without your help.
We are a team now. See you tomorrow morning at 8.
8 o'clock. I will be here with my heart smile. This is a special place. I am so lucky. The city is so bright. I feel so small but happy.
Another good day. The new girl is going to be great.
Look at the moon. It is smiling too. I wonder if Mr. Thompson will come back tomorrow. I learned more than just how to use a machine today. This is the start of a new adventure for me.
One day, maybe I will have my own cafe.
I will work hard and learn everything from Justin. The heart smile is my new power. My feet hurt, but it was worth it. I will wear my yellow shirt again tomorrow. It is my lucky shirt. Good night, City Cafe. See you in the morning.
Tomorrow we will serve 100 happy people.
I hope Mr. Thompson likes his coffee tomorrow, too. One smile can change a whole day.
Kindness is the best language.
Tomorrow will be great.
Ready for a new day?
Great job listening. Now, let's check the question again. What is Justin's secret? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.